This video is your go-to guide for depositing funds into your PAMM investor account and initiating withdrawals. First, let's explore how to deposit your funds. Step 1. Log in to the Vantage client portal at secure.vantagemarkets.com/login. Click on Funds and then Deposit Fund. In the Account Number column, select Deposit to PAMM Investor Account. Step 2. Log in to the PAMM Investor portal at the following address. Click into the PAMM account you wish to deposit into. You must join an offer link before you can make your deposit into your PAMM investor account. Keep in mind that there might be a minimum deposit set by your PAMM master. Next, let's delve into how you can review the performance of your investments as a PAMM investor. PAMM investors can conveniently monitor their investment through the PAMM investor portal. Money Manager investor time trading outcome to investors. However, the PAMM system synchronizes with MetaTrader based on the rollover schedule, providing essential information such as trading details, profit distribution, fee payouts, and money transfers. Profit allocation is dependent on the rollover system and the PAMM system's synchronization with MetaTrader. During the rollover process, the system efficiently distributes floating and realized profit and loss show on the summary board. For more details, you may reach out to your account manager for guidance. And finally, we'll guide you through the steps of making withdrawals when you're ready to capitalize on your gains. To request a withdrawal, just click on Withdrawal and fill in the amount you wish to withdraw. Once the request is submitted, patiently wait for the PAMM Money Manager to confirm it. Upon confirmation and the initiation of the rollover, your funds will seamlessly transfer to your investor account. That concludes our guide on the PAMM investor deposit and withdrawal process. We hope you found this information helpful.